Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I've got this fire pit stuff that I've had sitting around for a while. I started it a while back and hadn't finished it. I'm finally gonna get into it. There's pieces of pipe that I had cut on the top. It's for a handrail around it. I had a piece of trailer frame sitting there that I was thinking about doing the legs with, but I ended up not using it. Just a matter now of getting all those lined out, getting it welded up. And the body of it, it was all tacked together, but it hadn't been welded. So I'm finishing that out. It had I was going to do a slide vent on the bottom of it, but I'm going to cut that out and just do a clean out hole right there with a pan in the bottom. I was just welding all this sideways just for the practice more than anything. Normally I would just lay it down and run downhill on it. But here I'm getting cut out some little braces that hold the brackets that hold the rail to the body. Just little small pieces. You can get all this out of drops and stuff that you have laying around. And that's pretty much how they'll lay in there. You can see I cut that. And I had used it for cardboard. I just drew it on there. I got those put in, and this is a little frame to hold the ash pan. It's best to put that on right now, or you'll have to be reaching up under there after the legs are on to get it on.